I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enlarging the CAPTCHA image and locking into a steady scan pattern. Once done, sweep the border quickly because Waldo often stands near crowd edges, then move inward in a systematic grid. Make sure to prioritize the unique red and white stripes and his hat silhouette as high-contrast cues. You'll alternate between wide sweeps and tight inspections, so slow your breathing and keep your eyes relaxed to avoid missing small repetitions of color or pattern that mimic his outfit. Next, you zero in on promising clusters by increasing zoom and mentally comparing features. Once you spot a red and white cluster, check for Waldo's hat stripe, glasses, and cane. These small items confirm identity. Make sure to rule out false positives like signs or Daker that mimic stripes by scanning surrounding pixels for human proportions. If two candidates are similar, alternate quick glances between them to register differences. This oscillation helps your visual system detect the real posture and facial cues. Finally, you pick the strongest candidate and do a last verification at high zoom to confirm hat, glasses, and body proportion. Once confirmed, tap or click precisely. Avoid multiple rapid selections that can misregister. If the CAPTCHA refreshes or new tiles appear, repeat the fast grid method and prioritize fresh high-contrast cues. If images are blurry or misaligned, clear cache or switch browsers to force correct rendering. This fixes pixelation that can hide small identifying details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.